Hello friends, today we talk about Deepsea controller wiring details. DC supply, fuel/start, and configurable outputs, terminals 1 to 13. This section handles the brain, power and the primary engine control signals. 1 and 2, DC supply. Terminal 1 is negative, minus symbol, terminal 2 is positive, plus symbol. Typically 835 VDC. 3. Emergency stop. Must be connected to positive, plus symbol, via an emergency stop button for the unit to operate. 4 and 5, fuel relay, 4, and start relay, 5. These provide the signals to the fuel solenoid and the starter motor. 6, charge alternator, D+/WL, connects to the warning light terminal on the engine's alternator to ensure the battery is charging. 7 to 13, configurable outputs. These can be programmed for various functions like preheat, audible alarms, or louvre control. 2. Analog inputs, terminals 14 to 20. Used for monitoring engine sensors. 14. Common sensor return. The ground point for your sensors. 15 to 20. AF flexible inputs. Usually used for oil pressure, coolant temperature, and fuel level. They can be configured as digital inputs or resistive/voltage/current analog inputs. 3. ECU and CAN bus, terminals 21 to 29. Used for communicating with modern electronic engines, J 1939. 21 and 22, magnetic pickup. Used to measure engine RPM if not using CAN bus. 23, 24, 25, CAN interface. H, high, L, low, and screen, shield. This talks directly to the engine control unit, ECU. 26, 27, 28, RS-485 port. Used for remote monitoring or Modbus communication over long distances. 4. Load and main switching, terminals 32 to 33. 32 and 33, volt-free contacts. Typically used to trigger the contactors or motorized breakers that switch the load between the generator and the mains/generator transfer. 5. Voltage sensing, terminals 34 to 41. V1, 34 to 37 mains, utility, voltage sensing. L1, L2, L3, and neutral. This allows the module to detect if the city power has failed. V2, 38 to 41 generator voltage sensing. L1, L2, L3, and neutral. This monitors the output of the generator itself. 6. Current transformers, CTs, terminals 42 to 47. 42 to 47, current sensing. These connect to current transformers, CTs, on the generator's output phases, L1, L2, L3, to measure the amps and calculate power, kW/kVA. Note, ensure terminal 47 is grounded as shown. 7. Configurable digital inputs, terminals 48 to 55. 48 to 55, these are switched to negative, minus symbol, to trigger specific actions like, remote start, low fuel level switch, or external alarm. Communications ports. RS-232, the 9-pin D-sub port at the top for modem or PC connection. USB, the Type B port at the bottom for direct configuration using the DSE configuration suite software. RS-485, the green 3-pin block for data networking.